Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the element not found Explorer.exe error you are experiencing on your Windows 11 computer. So imagine this could definitely be a frustrating issue, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Start button and select Task Manager. You want to select the Details tab and then locate Explorer.exe. Go ahead and right click on that, and you want to go ahead and select End Task, select End Process. Now select File, Run New Task, type in Explorer.exe, and check mark where it says Create this task with administrative privileges. You don't have to type in .exe, but I did in my case, but go ahead and select OK, and give it a second here, and then hopefully your error message should be resolved. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.